Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic video update today. So this is just really manipulation at best, and the last time that they decided to actually pump this thing to the upside, they brought it down, made an evening star, and then again they brought it to the upside. Manipulation in every single corner, it's just manipulated every single corner, and I don't really like that kind of behavior personally. As a trader, I don't really like the behavior. But speaking of the technical target, it seems like you do have a pattern here, so you're making some sort of an ascending triangle or stuff like that. So if you look at it this way, it does seem like there's a little bit of this ascending triangle coming in for Luna Classic right over here, and I'm gonna just point it right over there. Okay, so let's zoom out and let's drag the lines like this and like that. Right, so somehow we might end up actually pushing Luna Classic to the following technical target, and that's going to be from the top here to the bottom right here. If we break this ascending triangle, then I do expect a little bit of a push back up to 15,900 or 16,000 levels, and that's going to be a price movement of nearly 17% pump. Now it is possible, if you ask me, if you think that is it possible to happen, it's actually possible, because number one, you're back above this, whatever that resistance source is actually broken again, and number two is that on the RSI you are absolutely oversold on the daily time frame, and it could actually mean that you're looking for a push back up to the overbought. So when you try to go back up, and this one also tries to go back up, and that's where you also have the monthly bear flag, and the retest of the monthly bear flag is what can happen actually. So if you look at it this way, then this is how the monthly flag looks like, coming down the flag and trying to move down. But the thing is that this month hasn't closed, and you have 12 days to close the month, and if you end up pushing up like this and even higher, then this flag is just it was just there to confuse people way before time. But I will say waiting for the closing in 12 days to confirm if this is actually a flag or not is going to be important, because the closing of the monthly is going to be really super important for us to see, because in 12 days you can still push back up like this and try to even go back up, and then this was never a bear flag, right? So I think that's going to be a rookie mistake if you try to trade very quickly out of being a confirmation biased and trying to say, oh yeah, it is a bear flag, we're going down like this. It's just a formation of a bear flag, still not a very confirmed one. But this monthly candle closing and a retest of the flag is going to confirm things. If you come back for the retest and get rejected here, then you can actually push to the downside as well. So that's pretty much it for this Luna Classic update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.